Power, Elite Eagles Nigeria. This year, 2017, is the new year for our new marketing plan. I would like to share to you our upgraded binary and stair-step plan for all our members in Nigeria. So I want you to watch and focus as I explain to you our new marketing plan. Upline Okichukwu, Upline Blessing, Upline Abazi, and to all our Nigerian business partners, Mr. Titus, Brother Godwin, Pastor Peculiar, to Pastor Basay, all the downlines in Lekki, in PH, in Lagos, and soon in Ivory Coast. Although you're not speaking English, and some of you speak French, I would like to present to you 2017 Marketing Plan of AIM Global in Naira. So for this year, AIM Global prepared the best marketing plan. This upgrade will give ×3 income to all our members. So for example, this is the old version and the old marketing plan, which is still our marketing plan today. When you join and you invite people, relatives, friends, business partners, when friend A registers to your business, this is how much on our usual marketing plan, 1,900 Naira. When letter B also joins your business, this is another 1,900 Naira. Pairing bonus, 5,700 Naira. So 19 plus 19 plus 57, this is a total income of 9,500 Naira. This is the usual earning if you are doing AIM Global there in Nigeria. And this is the usual earning potential if you invited only 2 people. Now, let's look at our new marketing plan. This will make you excited. For example, you invited friend A and friend B on a new marketing plan. This is still you. I'm using this example with only one account. Friend A joins your business. Friend B also joins your business. In our new marketing plan, for all our leaders in Nigeria, I present to you the next wave of marketing plan of AIM Global. Letter A joins, how much? This is 5,000 Naira. Almost ×3 or times 5 of your usual direct referral bonus. When letter B joins, another 5,000 Naira. From the direct referral itself, your total earning is already 10,000 Naira. Good or very good? But I'm still not done. Matching bonus, left and right. If you enjoyed 5,700 pairing, you will enjoy our new pairing bonus. How much? Pairing bonus now is 9,600 Naira. 10,000 plus 9,600, your total income for just 2 people is 19,600 Naira. Almost 20,000. Now, this is the much better marketing plan. So, the best thing to do right now is to add accounts. Make sure your structure is perfect. Call your downlines. Call your users. Call your retailers. Meet your group. If you are far away from them, call them. Call them at WhatsApp. Call them at Skype, Viber, and update them of our new marketing plan. Imagine this. If before, earning potential per day is 9,200 Naira per day. With this new marketing plan, it's going to be tripled. The earning potential now is 135,000 Naira. This is so big. To all my Nigerian brothers and sisters, get this business to the next level. Be serious this year. Focus on your goal. Build your empire. Don't listen to negative people. Don't join anymore money and scams in Nigeria. I know there are a lot of people who will try to invite you to earn quick. Don't join in Global, just continue. Don't continue in Global, just join our company. Fast earning, you don't have to do anything. If you hear those words, that is a warning. Don't listen to them. Don't entertain them. Avoid them. Go away from them because they will pull you down. Earning money quick will also be, you will be also quitting quick. You need to be responsible this year. You need to learn how to grow a group this year. If you are earning and you are close to become Millionaires Club and Global Ambassador, this will make your income much more faster. In the Philippines, we will also have an adjustment. All the offices will also have an adjustment. My message for you, to all Elite Eagles Alliance, this is just the beginning. When this invited, for example, you have 4 new members here, 4 new members here, and you don't know these people anymore, this is 96, 96, 96, 96. 135,000 naira is your income potential per day. 135,000 naira, multiplied it by 25 days in a month. Let's not include Saturday and Sunday. Your earning potential per month is 3,375,000 naira. Wow, this is big. I'm not hyping you. I'm not the type of upline who will hype you. But this is purely mathematics. If you build your group here, purchase 7 accounts, complete your heads, this is the income that is waiting for you. So, as an upline, I'm greeting you a Happy New Year. Prepare your group, prepare your downlines, prepare your family, prepare your prospects. For this 2017, this will be your abundance year. Power in Global Nigeria. Grabe.